sky are going to be even colder, and the surface temperatures are going to be low as well. Meanwhile, while we're dealing with these colder temperatures, we've got a rise in the jet stream or a ridge in the western half of the country, so they'll be dealing with milder temperatures, but here in the northeast, we'll be dealing with those colder temperatures. And you can see that here with your outlook for next week. From Louisiana to Texas, the desert Southwest, West Coast, they have the higher chances of being above normal because that's where the jet stream is setting up. We're going to be seeing these milder temperatures, and then the jet stream dips down, and we are going to be dealing with these colder temperatures for us likely here in the Northeast for a good portion of next week. And, you know, our average high temperature is about 34 degrees. We're likely going to be seeing temperatures ranging below that for all of next week. So we're going from these milder temperatures now to these colder temperatures next week. So more of a return to that January chill. So if you can, soak in these milder temperatures. You're going to really notice that as soon as you walk out the door this morning with how mild it is. We're starting off near 40 in many locations. Part of the reason why we are starting off so mild is because we held on to a breeze and also a lot of clouds during the overnight. So we did not have efficient cooling, meaning that our temperatures couldn't really fall that much during the overnight. You can see in your satellite and radar, we do have a lot of clouds around our area right now at this point. As we take a look at the rest of your day today with your futurecast, we are going to be seeing a mix of sun and clouds out there. Unsettled though, so have the umbrella with you, but we're not going to be needing it for many hours today. As we take a look at your day today though, we will have the chance for a few spotty off and on showers, but again, not a washout by any means at all. Now, as we take a look at the rest of your day tomorrow, you know, for days now, we've been talking about the potential for some rain and snow showers tonight and tomorrow morning. But as we've gotten approaching each day, we really haven't been able to, you know, see that much in terms of that. We've been actually seeing a lot less in terms of how much these models are outputting for rain and snow showers. The setup is just not there for us. So this particular model putting out virtually nothing first thing tomorrow morning, and that's what we're going to be seeing. So maybe an isolated rain shower or snow shower. That's just about it. Now, as we head into your day, Thursday, we'll start off a little bit mild, but then it turns blustery and chilly. Temperatures are dropping throughout the day. Friday is going to be a cold day, mix of sun and clouds, but look at these winds gusting at times between 25 and 35 miles per hour, putting wind chills in the teens and 20s during the day on Friday. Highs will be up near 30, but it's going to feel even colder than that. Saturday, we'll see highs up near 40 with a mix of sun and clouds, maybe a snow shower or flurry here or there. We're in the 30s on Sunday, and then take a look at next week. That's where that colder pattern really starts to solidify, set in stone. We're going to be mainly dry, but our daytime highs will end up ranging into the 20s and 30s, so it's going to be quite cold next week, especially near Wednesday. All right, that is a look at your forecast. You know, we've been talking a lot about patterns, and that's going to be the theme for today's Hometown Scramble. We've been dealing with a January thaw since last week, and that does continue through today before our pattern change back into next week. So that's our theme today, mild temperatures. So we've got mild, warm, and balmy as our words for our towns here. And of course, with this last word, the parentheses, Y is not in the word. So we have our special guest, David. So we got to lay down the groundwork here for you. So the Y in this last one's not actually in there.
Yeah.
Just had to put it there to make the word.
We have a big screen right here, which is what we're looking at off screen.
Yeah. So do you guys think it's easy? Do you need help? What are we thinking?
I know the second one, but I know you can't go out of order.
Yeah, I can't skip.
Yeah, I think I had the first one.
Oh, okay.
Can I say it?
Yeah, just go for it.
Brimfield?
Yes, it is Brimfield.
All right, all right.
And Sloan, you said you had the second one?
Yeah, Wilbraham?
Yes, Wilbraham. Okay, the third one.
It's not West Springfield.
No, there's no E. Liam, can we have a hint on this one?
That one is in Hampshire County.
Hampshire County. I have my little map. All right, what do we got here?
Hampshire County.
I don't. This. I'll say it starts with a W.
West Hampton?
No.
No, there's no L in that. We can
Ends
look.
with a G.
Ends with a G, starts with a W?
Yes.
Williamsburg.
Yes, it is
Oh,
Williamsburg.
there you go.
Okay, now I think we had a winner, but I couldn't hear it. Sloan, did you hear who was the winner?
I did not.
Okay, I can't hear anything right
Yeah, I
now.
apologize. We could not hear.
No winner. No winner.
Oh
my God, we beat you.
You're the winner, David.
You're the winner, David. All right, that's all for now. Back to you guys.
All right, thank you so much, Liam, and thank you for playing, David. Still ahead on Western Mass News, healthcare costs are on the rise, and the Affordable